Hello, welcome back to yet another wedding diary. So in today's video I'll be doing the setup of my bridesmaid proposal gift bag. So it's not a box, it's rather a gift bag. So where I actually purchased these at a supermarket. The bags are really affordable. I think I spent like maybe, I think it was $100 and something, but you know, tax added, so I'm gonna say it might be $200. And I did went ahead and get these printed. I'm gonna leave the name on the screen where you can actually go and get these stuff printed, whether on your shirt, cups, cars, wherever sticker related wise or printed wise you want. I actually went ahead and get these for all 6 bridesmaids that I have. So this is the bag that all the stuff that's gonna be in. I did went ahead and go by Bashko to get these. I think these were $100 and something. I can't look for the receipt, I don't remember. So I think it was $200 for these in Bashko. It's a little care club. You're accustomed to wines, but we're doing a little things a little bit different than what you know everybody accustomed to. So I went ahead and get 7 of these. I do have one as well, and these are some little ponytails. Not ponytails, what am I saying? These are some ponytail. Why little pony? Why keep on saying ponytail? Yeah, these are some little ponytail. I went to the China wholesale as usual, doing my window shopping, and I saw them. They were really cute and I had to get them. They're very affordable. It's roughly like $100 for one, and I did get them. It's like a key ring, so whatever the girls want to put on it, you can go ahead and put it on. If you watch my previous video on regarding my bridal party accessories / bridesmaids accessory, these were in the unboxing as well, so I'm going to put these there. And these, you would already see these already, which is the bride squad little purse. So I don't have to go in full detail how these stuff are. I'll leave the link up below where you can go and get them, or where you can actually go to see how these look. Also, the thank you card would also come from the unboxing video, but with these thank you card, they're not the same. Even though it says thank you with the green and gold theme, the writing, the font style is different, and where they place them, that's also in my unboxing video. And their little tiara that says bride squad, these are also in the unboxing video, so these you would actually know what they are. And the bride team slash as well, you would also see that in the back unboxing as well. So what I went ahead and did was to get some shirt. I know initially I wanted the robes. I did got the robes, but when the robes come, they couldn't fit. So I said, you know, the robes might cost a little bit more since based on how far I'm in the planning. So I went ahead downtown and get these. You're familiar with these white shirts, these cotton merino, where on the inside you actually have like a bra supporting part. So I did went ahead and get these printed. So the bags and the shirt were printed. I'm going to leave their link here on the screen where you can actually go and check them out on Instagram to get your shirts, cups, wine glass, stickers to go on your car, just a little bit of everything there. And I'll also be doing a screen recording to see how the IG set up for stuff that they already done so far, along with teacups. I think I do have a teacup here where I'd get design. We actually get to design, so it's really cute, guys. And you could even tell that it was actually printed on the shirt. Let me focus it for you. Yeah, this is how it actually look. And I did get it in white, so everyone will be in white except the maid of honor. The maid of honor will be in gray. So the color scheme is white, full white, but the color scheme of the wedding is white and silver. So I get a gray for my maid of honor. And as I said, we get those downtown. The shirt set, I also got it downtown in a Chinese wholesale, because we're going for something that's affordable but yet still, you know, something thoughtful, something different. This suggestion was actually given to one of my dear friends. She was saying that, you know, instead of robe we could go for shorts, and we actually saw something similar on Pinterest. So we said, you know, this is affordable, I can afford it, and at the same time, you know, give the girls them something as well. So I'm gonna pack everything in the bag and show you how I'm gonna set up everything, so stay around. I'm just gonna fold these and then put them on one side. So I will fold these, or I will try to wrap this one. I'm not sure how I'm gonna put it because it's in a bag and not a box. So I'm gonna try to like fold it where they're not going to really see what's on it until they actually open it up. Yeah, something like this. But I'm gonna try to fix these and then I wrap them as neat as possible, but some not coming out as well. I want it to, but I just use the sleeve of the marina to get it to hold it, so some will able to read the entire thing to see what's on it, some might not be able to see it. And for the shorts, I just fold them as it is. No, don't mind the excess around there in the back. But yeah, so I'm gonna try to put them in the bag now so everything can lay out. But the only thing that's gonna differentiate the bag is that eventually all the names are on it, and also the thank you cards. I wanted to print some photos to put in it, but I didn't get the time to print them, so that is pretty much fine. So I just write a personalized note, a thank you note to them each, and place it in the bag. It's really weird, but I say I'm going to go by alphabetical order and put everything in the bag. So pretty much it's a decent size bag. It's very thin, so I just have to be mindful of how I actually hold it. But this is how it actually looking with the handles, and on the inside is white, so it's like a pink and white scheme. So this is how on the inside actually look, and I said I think it's roughly $200 for this bag. So what I'm going to do, what I'm going to put first is that I'm going to go in with the shorts. Yeah, I think I'll go in with the shorts. So I already went ahead and fold them, so I just put it here. I try to put them on one side. Yeah, this is how it is. And then I take a shirt, and then I'm gonna put the shirt here. Yeah, so fix them properly here. Hold on guys, I'm struggling to actually set this with them because I record it with my hand and not with the tripod. Yeah, so I set them here, so that is there. And then I can go in with one of the bride squad purse. I might take these out of the bag, but let me see how it look for now. And then they also get the slash that says team bridesmaid there. They're gonna have the cup here, so when you're drinking your champagne, you can drink from this one. Rest that here. A little band, that the one that says bride tribe, we rest that in the cup as well, along with the little pony keyring in the cup. And we put along with them their bridesmaid tiara, but we try to put that at the top so it doesn't break. And then they're gonna have the thank you card on top. But one thing I forgot to show you was the tissue paper, so I'm gonna go for that and come back. It's 15 sheets, so I might put one each first, and then I see how the one actually look, and if anything I'll just double up on the 6 bags, because I would have enough to put 2 per bag to give it that full look. So this is how tall it is and also how broad it is. So just gonna like crush it up and then put it on top here. So pretty much that's how the bag will actually look, and we gift them with a little name on it. Yeah, so I'm gonna finish the rest and then come back, but this is the first one, and depending on how I feel, if I have to reshuffle, I reshuffle them just to make it look more neat and presentable. But yeah, this is how the bride's maid gift proposal bag is. It's not really a proposal because they did accept a long time ago, but yeah, pretty much this is how it would actually look. I put everyone bag together. So we have Ashley, the bridesmaid, that's the sister of the groom. This is Ashley, which is the sister of the bride. This is Santana, who's the sister of the bride. This is Crystal, which is the best friend of the bride. She's my maid of honor. Roxanne is the groom's sister, and Romea is my dear friend, which is also a friend of the bride as well. So I put everyone here. I'm unable to get like a full picture because somebody name has to be blocked, so I try to make sure to take pictures with each of them so they can show. And the writing on it is really cute. I love them so much and they're so cute. And I went ahead and put the tissue at the bottom. I didn't show you guys that one. Let me peep here. I put the tissue at the bottom in the bag, so when they open the bag, they will have the shorts down below along with the shirt on top. They have the little purse, they have the little tiara that says Bride Squad, they have the little cup along with the little pony keyring, and at the side there they have the slash and the little black thingy there. I still don't know what the name of it, but believe in me guys, it is so cute. I can't wait to catch their reaction because they're gonna be my maid. So I'm really thankful for all the stuff that I've received thus far, along with stuff that I was able to purchase to give this to my maids to show, you know, a little appreciation. The only thing left to go in here is a thank you card, but I'm a little bit tired because it's like 12 o'clock. So this is what, July the 8th, and I'm really tired and I have work tomorrow, so I'm going to try and get those done tomorrow so I can have them, pack them in a bag to hide them. So maybe one person will be familiar with what's going on, but not everything she knows. But this is the finishing look, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, share, and tell a friend to tell a friend to come by. I hope this vlog actually give you inspiration, just in case you're getting married, you know somebody that is getting married, you can share this video with them. So you know, it don't have to be a rich gift, it doesn't have to be something so expensive, because remember, you're getting married and you have to make sure you spend the money wisely. So if you even go at an affordable side, these I know for sure they would really appreciate it. Worse when they have no idea that they're really getting something to say, you know, appreciation for being my bridesmaid or your bridesmaid. So bye loves, remember to comment down below, let me know what you put in your box. If you have done something like this before for your bridesmaid or your groomsmen, comment down below and let me know. And thank you so much for the person who actually gives some of these stuff. I really appreciate it, and big up my nice designer for getting these on the bag. Okay loves, bye. Road to Clarke.